Welcome to Wall Street Tactical, the only place on YouTube where you can access the highest level of Wall Street intelligence from many of the finest and most expensive research analytical sources in the financial and professional trading industry. Sources like Motley Fool, OTC Markets, Morningstar, Value Line, Seeking Alpha, TipRanks Ultimate, Earnings Whispers, Stock Gumshoe, Open Insider, Quiver Quant, Seeking Alpha, Finviz Screener Elite, Simply Wall Street, Benzinga Pro, Zacks Ultimate, and literally hundreds of other factually and hard evidence and rock-solid proven all-source intelligence systems and operations. Only here at Wall Street Tactical do we present for you informed wisdom and consideration, the decisions, action-based conclusions, trade executions, and block trade transactions of many of the world's top traders, including major hedge funds, premier financial institutions, public company investment departments, board-level corporate insiders, and those others who wager substantial money behind their market calculations and predictions. Those who really do put their money where their mouth is. Accordingly, we scientifically analyze these power players' actions and market navigation predicted upon proven and the best open access intelligence, public information, deep analysis, and reconnaissance, and the most sophisticated information surveillance. Ultimately, this results in perceptions and conclusions which may give you an edge, and essentially hedge your trades by being in the know. Here at Wall Street Tactical, we don't gamble. We collect evidence, analysis, and facts assemble. Our principles are never trade alone. Always determine who's in the trade with you. Always, and we mean always, bet with the big money, the smart money, the insider money. 100% of the time, discern and discover what the high rollers are holding in their poker hands. And of course, don't stick around in the trade when public company management, hedge funds, and financial institutions are heading for the exit. Now let's proceed with specific opportunities and time-critical strategies. The stock I'm talking about is the ARDS. It stands for Ards Pharmaceuticals, and it's currently available for purchase at around $5. Many experienced people say that it's going to be a big name in the coming days, and we're also trying to mention those points in this video. The expected price of this stock can go as high as $7. Ards Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a late-stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the discovery and development of targeted immunotherapy that uses fully human monoclonal antibodies to treat life-threatening infections. As always, the medical niche is always expected to perform well in the stock market, and biopharmacy is further becoming a big name in the same. Do you think this is true, that biopharmacy is certainly going to be a massive thing in the stock market? Let us know your views in the comment section. Dr. Vu Truong is the CEO of this company. He's the one who founded this company, and since then, he's been the president and the CEO of Ards Pharmaceuticals. It's been more than 7 years since he founded the company, and it's great to see he still takes the initiative to make this company a big thing in the future as well. He has compensation of around $700,000 to the company, which seems to be a bit on the extra side, and you don't want to see this in any company. The average compensation of CEOs of other companies with similar stats is around $500,000, and this is the sweet spot you might want to see in such companies. However, the amount of this compensation has been pretty consistent in recent times. He doesn't seem to misuse his position to take more profits and money for himself, which of course is a good thing. The management team, on the other hand, does not seem to be that experienced. They hold an experience of around a year only, which is not ideal either, although it's not a big of a problem either. But some investors prefer to have people and employees with more experience than that before investing, so if that's your thing, you should be aware. The stocks and prices don't show a ton of volatility. They've been around 11% volatile in the past year, which is really ideal, considering the total jump and up and down zigzags of the market trends. If you compare your investments with the saving rate in ARDS, then you'll be saving a lot of money. It's going to be profitable in the next 3 years, and it's pretty much higher than the saving rates, which is a mere 2%. Similarly, this is ideal if you want to compare it with the market trends and market growth. ARDS will have more value and credibility than the market growth, which is another check for ARDS. The company and the stock have a revenue rate of around 65%. If you compare that to the US market growth per year, it's pretty high. The US market growth per year is around less than 10%. Hence, it will grow much faster and more profitable than the US market growth, and since the growth revenue is more than 20%, it can totally be considered in the high growth revenue option as well. The short-term and the long-term liabilities of ARDS do not bring good news, however. They're pretty less evident than the short-term assets, and that's not good for the value of the stock. They have negative shareholder equity, which is a big problem that they have to tackle. So this is pretty much it for the video. Do you think you should buy ARDS? Let us know in the comment section below. But this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because I'm sure you'll love them. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.